Hey there, health enthusiasts! If you're looking to boost your kidney health naturally, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you 10 superfoods that are not just delicious, but are also fantastic for your kidneys. Let's dive right in. First up, we have cranberries. These tiny red wonders are not just for Thanksgiving. Cranberries are packed with antioxidants and have properties that prevent bacteria from sticking to the bladder and urinary tract walls. This helps in preventing infections, which can eventually lead to kidney problems. Next on our list is red bell peppers. Low in potassium, which is crucial for those with kidney issues, red bell peppers are full of flavor and also rich in vitamins C and A, as well as B6, folic acid, and fiber. They're great for maintaining overall kidney health and can be eaten raw or cooked. Moving on, let's talk about cabbage. This leafy green is low in potassium and high in vitamins K and C, along with fiber. It's not only kidney-friendly but also very versatile in cooking. You can add it to salads or stir-fries for a nutritious boost. Fourth, we have apples. An apple a day does not just keep the doctor away, but it also helps with kidney health. Apples are high in fiber and anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce cholesterol, prevent constipation, and decrease the risk of cancer. Number 5 is garlic. Garlic is a superfood for its ability to enhance the flavor of any dish without adding too much sodium. It also has anti-inflammatory properties and can help lower cholesterol and reduce inflammation in the kidneys. Now, don't forget about onions. Onions are packed with flavonoids, particularly quercetin, which is a powerful antioxidant that works to reduce heart disease and protects the kidneys. Plus, they add a wonderful flavor to dishes without extra sodium. Seventh on our list is blueberries. Known for their high antioxidant levels, blueberries can protect the body from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Incorporate them into your breakfast or enjoy them as a healthy snack. Next, we have fish, especially fatty types like salmon and mackerel, which are high in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are great for reducing inflammation and protecting the kidneys from various diseases. Number 9 is egg whites. They provide a high-quality, kidney-friendly source of protein. Unlike many other protein sources, egg whites are low in phosphorus, which makes them ideal for those with kidney issues. And lastly, let's talk about water. Yes, not traditionally a food, but staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining kidney health. Water helps flush out toxins that can lead to bacterial infection or kidney stones. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses a day. There you have it, folks. 10 superfoods that can keep your kidneys in tip-top shape. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet can not only improve your kidney health, but also enhance your overall well-being. Here's to your health. Cheers! Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips and tricks. See you next time.